चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास। डेरिवेटिव्स का सेकंड पार्ट करना है, ठीक है। लेट्स स्टार्ट करो। गुड मॉर्निंग सिद्धार्थ। गुड मॉर्निंग पायोजा। रुद्रा गुड मॉर्निंग। बेटा ACS स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन डिटेल्स प्लस रिवीजन, one sample paper exam, everything at least inform me when I have to conduct. When is the exam schedule, final exam schedule, that I need, that I can start my work. Okay. Case studies is one material I have sent you people. That questions I am going to solve. Okay. We'll start the work. See, derivatives, some very important parts are there. Today I am going to teach. That work is NCERT work. First, you listen very carefully. If somebody will give you derivatives work, like y is equal to tan x, okay, you have to use first principle to find derivative of it. Like these questions are 100 to come to final examination. Use first principle to find the derivative of y is equal to tan x. Get ready for it. Nishika, note down. Used first derivative to find the differentiation of y is equal to tan x. Now, how to solve this question? Okay. 2 ACS sample papers, final examination, last year question papers. Sita, Rudra, try to collect from the students so that we can practice at least. Because today, this year, na, 2-3 questions of ACS, last year Mumbai question, same paper they have given for final examination. Also sample paper same they have given. So at least 1-2 last year question paper if you will give means I will solve this in board and we will finish at least. Just to collect and give me. Otherwise I'll collect and give in form whatever is there. Rudra, I think your brother might have had luck, so it will be important for us. Shall we start our work, please? So now this question, how to solve? Now one word is there. We know what is the differentiation of tan x, we don't know. How to find? See, formula is this will be equal to f of it, and this part will become limit h tends plus h minus f of x by h. This is the derivative first principle formula. Okay, so what's this derivative first principle formula? Just 1 minute. First principle formula only will be used. So how we are going to write? When f of x is equal to tan x. So here we get f of x is equal to tan x. Then f of x plus h will become tan of x plus h. So whatever change in this part will be there, that will be exactly taken. So x means tan x. F of x plus h is x plus tan x. This is first part. Now how to do it? F dash x is equal to limit x tends to 0. Whatever you have taken this one, this part right, it will come tan x plus h. And here it will become tan x by h. This part done. Understood? This question came 3 times in ACS examination. These many years, some questions of first principles and 100% writing. You see the question papers, you will get the answers. Question papers, I am not having, but these questions we have practiced so much many times. Now, better look here. This tan will become, we know that tan is equal to sin x by cos x. We will write that. We will write sin x by cos x. Now, again this tan x will become sin x by cos x. So, we split tan x as sin x by cos x, here also sin x by cos x. This part done. Next part check. Denominator is h. Now cross multiply. Okay, so when you are cross multiplying, this will multiply with this will multiply with this, and these two will multiply with each other. Come on, do it. So cross multiplication, what we will do? Let's check this one out. Limit h tends to 0, this and this will be multiplied. Sine of x plus h into cos x minus cos of x plus h into sin x. Okay. Now denominator part will come cos of x plus h into cos x into h. Okay. So this part is done. Now here cos A cos sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. One formula is there, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B will be equal to sin of A minus B. This is the formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to sin A minus B. So we will use this formula. Limit h tends to 0. This part will become sin of x plus h minus x by denominator part will become h. Now here it is cos of x plus h into cos of x. Now beta this x and x will get cancelled. Okay. Now what next we will do? Limit h tends to 0. Sin of h by h into 1 by cos of x plus h into cos of x. इसका maths का book है नीचे. Okay. So this part sin h by h will become 1. So this section will become what? Now you can write it as limit h tends to 0. Only this section is left. 1 by cos of x plus h into cos of x. Now only one small work you have to do. Substitute h equal to 0. So it will become cos of x into cos of x. 1 by cos square x, and that equal to secant square x. So hereafter, whenever you will differentiate, you will use this formula. This formula is when you differentiate y is equal to tan x. Differentiation of y is equal to tan x. Differentiation of y is equal to tan x will always be giving you secant square x. This is direct method. Okay, this method is direct method. Like tan x differentiation will come secant square x. And how it is derived? It is derived from first principle, and this is the first principle. So this is the most important formula. Please kindly do it. This is first principle tan x differentiation. 2-3 important questions are there in NCERT. Let's do that one. After that, direct differentiation method we will use. Rudra understood, beta. Payoja, Siddharth understood. Everybody understood. We'll go for the next one. Today differentiation u by v method questions we will do. Okay. NCERT questions we will do today. All NCERT questions and example questions we will do. Okay, I understood. Very good, beta. So this is exactly one method what we have to follow. Here tan x will be there. Okay. Nishika understood how to do it. Note down fully. After that we will go for the next question. Now look here. 1 by cos x into cos x will become cos square x. So 1 by cos square x will become secant square x. Note down. 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. Now beta, like that all the 6 trigonometric ratios differentiation will be there. Okay. We have already derived 2. Remaining one we will be doing. Let's check this one out. Ready? Now look here. We'll go for the next one. So that means if we will directly differentiate sin x direct differentiation is cos x. If we will directly differentiate cos x, we are getting minus sin x. If we are differentiating tan x, just now we derived, we got secant square x. If we will differentiate secant x, so 2, 3 are there, one secant x is there. So this is the derivation, differentiation part. If we will differentiate secant x, so it will come secant x into tan x. This one will be little tough by using first principle. I will solve this and show you today itself so that you will be able to do it. This is direct differentiation formula, beta. And then that is the first principle what we have used now. That is the direct first principle formula means differentiation formula means we can use this one. You need to remember this part. Now look here. We'll go for the second one. Like if cot x will be there. Differentiation of cot x will become minus cosecant square x. Understood? Differentiation of cosecant x. Differentiation of cosecant x. It will become minus cosecant x into cot x. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 main trigonometric ratios differentiation part. Note down 6 main trigonometric ratios. See this 1, 2, 3 already I taught. Secant x one more time I am going to show you so that you will be able to solve it properly. Come on, note down this one. Secant x part. Secant x will become what? Secant x into tan x. This is important. Secant x into tan x. How we are going to do? Let's check this one out. So when we will be writing f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is our derivative formula. Now what work we will do? F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h. So here when you take secant x is there now, it will become what? It will become here secant of x plus h. Now here it will become secant x by h. Now here next part what we will do? Limit h tends to 0. Directly we will write secant will become what? 1 by cos of x plus h minus 1 by cos x. This part done. Converted secant into cos part by h. So here it will become limit h tends to 0. This and this cross multiply, it will become cos x into cos x minus cos x plus h by cos x into cos of x plus h into h. Done. So this is what we have done. Cross multiplication we have done. Note down please. Secant we converted. Like this also, because this two will also be able to do. This one will be directly like how tan you did now. So cot will come. Cosecant one like this how secant you are doing now. Cosecant part will be done. Okay. Here main trigonometry is important. Trigonometry formulas you are knowing means you are 100% able to solve. Now here it is coming in the formula. You see cross multiplied and this multiplied. Now you know one formula. Cos C minus cos D. In trigonometry, this formula was there. Cos C minus cos D formula. Cos C minus cos D formula was 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. This you remember. Or if you take minus outside, then it will become C plus D by 2 into C minus D by 2. Same formula will be written as minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Understood? But here only one thing, D minus C I written and here I wrote C minus D and minus is outside. So both you can do. Both process you can apply. It is Nishika, note down this one. Both process we can apply. Now here we are going to use that formula. So what we are going to write? Here it will become limit h tends to 0 This section will become limit h tends to 0. This part will become cos c minus cos d will become, we can take minus outside, 2 sin x plus, check very carefully, x plus h by 2 into sin x minus, so both will become minus by 2. Sin c plus d, c minus d. Minus already outside. So now this and this will get cancelled. H will be there. Along with h, what will be there here? Cos x and cos of x plus h. So these two things will be there. Now next one we will write limit h tends to 0 minus 2. This and this will become sine of 2x by 2 plus h by 2 into sine of, here it will become minus h by 2 by h cos x into cos of x plus h. Till here we got? Now nothing to worry because this and this will get cancelled. Okay? Got it? So this section is done. So x plus h by 2 we have written. Now beta, what work we will be doing? Here if we will take this one as 0, it is not going to create any problem. But we know that sine of minus theta will be equal to minus sine theta. So minus will come out, minus into minus will become plus. So here it will become limit h tends to 0 sine of 2 sine of h plus x by 2 into sine h by 2. Now here what we need to do, beta, here we will write h is there now. We need this one. So it is in multiplication. Very simply we will do one word. We will write cos of x into cos of x plus h. Okay, and then here it is h. So we will write h by 2 into 2 multiplication. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Now this section total will become 1. Got it? Now we are ready to substitute h equal to 0. So here it will become sin x by cos x into cos x. So one time sin x by cos x will become tan x and here it will become secant x. So we derived a formula. So for what I did, I am just doing my work better. So now look here. So this is exactly differentiation of secant x. So when you differentiate secant x will give you tan x into secant x. That's the most important part. Come on, go for it. Check this one out. Secant x into tan x. This is differentiation. So this part we have done. Rudra, Payaja, Siddharth, everyone. This is exactly same and this tan x cot x same. So we will be dropping this too. We will be solving the next important part. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is the way to solve the question because this is most important part. Check this one out. So this is differentiation. This is differentiation of all the 6 trigonometric ratios. And this is first principle method. And I just used first principle method for solving the 6 trigonometric ratios. I hope you have understood this one, how to go for it. Vishka understood? Note down. Take your time, note down. I'll wait. Here we can write one thing. Here we will write limit h tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. And based on this formula only we have written. Nishika done? Everyone finished Paja written beta? Shall we go to the next part? Now we will take NCRT questions and solve the method. Okay, sorry, solve the differentiation part. NCRT one, NCRT before NCRT one question is there. Y is equal to log of x plus 1 by log of x minus 1. How to differentiate it? So log of x, very good. Log of Nishika written beta, previous one. Yes, go for next one. Log of x plus 1 by log of x minus 1. So again I told you, na, it will be written in the method u by v. So what is the formula? The formula for differentiation is when you will differentiate u by v with respect to dx, first it will become v will be as it is written, u will be differentiated, then u will be left, v will be differentiated by x b square. This is exactly the method. So based on this method only, we are going to differentiate. So now this is exactly the formula method, whatever you will say. So u by v method differentiation, this is dy by dx. So let's start this work, differentiation. First, so what is the differentiation of log x? We must know differentiation of log x. The differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Understood? The differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This is the first part. The differentiation of log x is 1 by x. We use the first principle section. So this is the formula. Now directly we will solve. How we are going to apply and solve this method. So this part will become v and this part will become u. So dy by dx is equal to v. V is log x minus 1. It will be written as it is, no change. Now we will differentiate log of x plus 1 with respect to dx, very good biology. And here it will become log of x plus 1 differentiation of log of x minus 1. This time b part we will differentiate it. This time b section we will differentiate and this part will become log of x minus 1 whole square. Understood? Rudra, Payaja, Siddharth, everybody see this one better. So now this section will become dy by dx. In direct differentiation method, we are not putting any log. Very good. But this Rudra has written the answer. Thank you, Rudra. So now look at it. This is log of x minus 1. So differentiation of log x will become what? 1 by x. So differentiation of log x will become 1 by x. And differentiation of constant will become 0. So that part gone. Now here again log of x plus 1 into differentiation of log x will become 1 by x. And one part will become minus 1 differentiation will become totally 0. I am just showing for those who have confusion, I am solving here. You see, differentiation of this will become what? Differentiation of log x plus 1 means what? This one will first multiply with this. So differentiation of log x with respect to dx plus differentiation of 1 with respect to dx. So here the differentiation of constant will become 0, differentiation of log will become 1 by x. So this is actual method. Okay. So here this part directly I have written, like differentiation of log x will become 1 by x and differentiation of 1 is constant, it will become 0. And denominator part will become what? The denominator part will be log of x minus 1 whole square. So now dy by dx is equal to, this section might see, here also 1 by x, here also 1 by x. So we will take out 1 by x. It will become log of x minus 1, put bracket, minus log of x plus 1. Okay. Denominator part will be log of x minus 1 whole square. So 1 by x, now open the bracket, log of x minus 1 minus log of x minus 1. So this and this will get cancelled, log of x minus 1 whole square. So overall what is coming, minus 1 will become minus 2 by x log of x minus 1 whole square. Now because this by 1 will be there denominator section, it will become minus 2 by x log of x minus 1 whole square. This is the entire process. Check this one out. Done. Check one time. This is done. Now we will go for next question, that is NCRT question. In NCRT, one question is given. Question is y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Come on, we will start differentiating. Note down this one. Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Note down. Start solving. Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Shall we start? Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Start karo. Why you are waiting? Everybody start solving, please. Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. Try. Now look here. Y is equal to x by 1 plus tan x. How to solve this question? Again, dy by dx. This part will become u. X can be taken as u. And this part can be taken as v. Done? So how to start? So here it will become v. V will be as it is written 1 plus tan x. Differentiation of x minus x differentiation of 1 plus tan x dx by 1 plus tan x whole square. Come on, try this. So 1 plus tan x whole square, no need to open, you can keep it as it is. This part differentiation of x, I told you that differentiation of x will become 1. Okay. So now you have to just leave this section as it is. Dy by dx equal to 1 plus tan x as it is. Differentiation of x will become 1. And now here minus x. Differentiation of 1 will become 0. Now differentiation will be distributed one time with this and one time with this. So differentiation of 1 will become 0. Differentiation of tan x will become secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole square. That's it. Answer K. Only this much you have to do in this question. Check. This is NCRT question. Did you found it easy, understandable? Okay, I can do like this. Start. Next question, next NCRT question we will do. Check this one out. Next NCRT question, again U by V method. Next NCRT question is y is equal to a plus b sin x by c plus d cos x. Come on, go for it. Try this question with again same U by V method. Nishka, solve for it. Beta, what is the answer for this? Again u by v. This part will become u and denominator part will become v. Okay. So now here it will become dy by dx is equal to v part right as it is c plus d cos x. Now differentiate a plus b sin x with respect to dx. Okay. Now this time minus, you keep that one as it is. Now here you write minus a plus b sin x differentiation of c plus d cos x. Okay, but denominator will become c plus d cos x whole square. This work over. After that, what next work we will do? Here it is dy by dx equal to c plus d cos x will be as it is. Now one time a is a constant. Remember, the differentiation of constant will become 0. So if you put go inside, it will become dA by dx plus differentiation. D is a constant, so b will come out differentiation of sin x dx. Done. Minus a plus b sin x. Now differentiation of c with respect to x plus d differentiation of cos x with respect to x. So this part differentiation we have distributed. It is coming as c plus d cos x whole square. Okay, that d is different. This differentiation part. Good morning, beta. So c plus d. Please check this one out. C plus d cos x differentiation of a constant will become 0. 1. Now here d will be as it is coming. See, constant differentiation will become 0. So this section will come b. Sin x differentiation will become cos x. So directly it came. Now here minus a plus b sin x. Now differentiation of c constant will become 0. Then what will be a cos x differentiation? But here b will come out and then cos x will become minus sin x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. We have done differentiation of cos x with respect to x. Direct formula is coming as minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x with respect to x, formula is coming as minus sin x. Can you check this one out? Now beta here it will be dy by dx. Now here c plus d cos x whole square. Now final section we are going to write. Check this one out. Final part. It will become dy by dx. This and this will multiply bc cos x. Now plus d square cos square x. Now this section will come, see here, a minus into minus will become plus. Now ad sin x, then minus into minus plus means bd sin square x. Got it? Because here a and b and d, because sin ab cd was there, cd was there, sorry, bd, b square, bd, bd. So c plus d cos x whole square. So now beta here bd is there. So when bd is there, hello? 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 Good morning, Himanshu. So now beta here this section. So dy by dx equal to this part and this part we will write c because bc. B with c, b with d. Here a with b and b with b. So here it will become bc cos x plus ad sin x plus beta if we will take these two common means it will come only bd sin square x plus cos square x, and sin square x plus cos square x will become 1. So it will become c plus d cos x whole square. I hope you might have understood this one. Huh? So beta this part तो directly will become 1. ठीक है, तो बस इतना ही लिख देंगे उसको. So क्या हो जाएगा bc cos x plus ad sin x plus 1, sorry, plus bd by c plus d cos x whole square. What do I have to do? Huh? What? That is because your final reaction was there. Okay, we'll go for next question. I hope that here it is clear how we are going to proceed and solve the question. Is it okay, beta? Is it understandable how I am solving? Is it okay for you people? Like, okay, we are understanding how to go for derivative method. Just check, quickly inform me that it is okay. Okay. Easily we have done data, but I need ACS at least 2-3 question papers. No, some questions I am knowing, but Mumbai 1-2 paper coming means our sample paper 1-2 times 1-2 sample paper of final exam we will solve means you will get idea because same type pattern questions they are repeating. This 10th now whatever question papers were there last year, same they have taken and given. So it is very very important. Now look at y is equal to px square plus qx plus r by, note down this one. This NCRT question is there. Try to solve this question. Iska solve karo. This NCRT question. Now this part is there. Now again and again I am telling one thing, that differentiation of x to the power n is very important because this is the basis. So this differentiation with x to the power n you will do n x to the power n minus 1. Okay, so here directly if you will write x to the power 5, so it will become differentiation 5x to the power 4. Okay, so if somebody will give differentiation of x to the power 100, then what it will become? 100 x 99. So this is the formula, 100 x 99. Okay, very good. So directly we will go again, you will check this part u by v. So this part will become u and this part will become v. So now again differentiate d with y by dx is equal to v. V part is ax plus v. Now differentiation of px square plus qx plus r with respect to dx. Now here minus, this part will be fully left, px square plus qx plus r, differentiation of ax plus b dx. So ax plus b whole square. Then beta, check this one out. Now better differentiation. Distribute differentiation. P is a constant, so P will come out. Only x will differentiate x part. The constant C. P and x is there. Only because x is there, so it will only differentiate x. P is a constant, so P will come out. Like this method is there. Then this one will become P. Differentiation of x and x will become 1. So this is the method. So constant will come out. So here constant came out. Here q is constant. Huh?
x2 है ना?
Here x square is there.
x square is there. तो 2 आएगा.
After differentiation, just now we did not differentiate it. Now r differentiation, if r is coming out means 1 we are differentiating. Minus px square plus qx plus r. Now differentiation again, a is a constant, a will come out. We will differentiate x. B is a constant, b will come out. 1 will get differentiated with respect to x. So like this, if you will write, easily you will take out bracket. Don't forget, please write bracket. Otherwise, full meaning will change. Now write down dy by dx equal to, here beta this part will be as it is, ax plus b. Now differentiation of x square. X square differentiation will what? 2x1. Degree will deteriorate by 1. So it will become 2x1. So here it will become p will be as it is. It will become 2px. Now differentiation of this part will become q. Constant differentiation will become 0. Here differentiation of constant will become 0. For your understanding, I wrote 0. Okay. So now here minus px square plus qx plus r. Now better differentiation of this part will only give you a. So can I write a? Because b section constant will become 0. So it will become ax plus b whole square. Done. So once we have written till here, now we will go for the next one. So here dy by dx equal to, now we will multiply because everything is done. So here it will become a, it will become 2apx whole square. Now here it will become aqx. Now it will become 2pbx plus pq minus apx square minus aqx, and then here it will become minus er. So this much written. and here it is ax plus b whole square. But a final time solving is important. Don't leave that part because many students after this they are leaving. Don't leave. Maximum half marks they can cut. So this is important. Don't leave that part. Fully finish and leave. See, look here. This is apx square. Here it is apx square. But here 2 and this part will become. So dy by dx will be equal to apx square plus 2pbx. Okay, apx square, this we have used, this we have used, this we have written. Now after that what will be left? Plus bq minus ar by ax plus b whole square. So this is the formula to which we are exactly using and writing. Okay, note down this one. We'll go for next question. Another NCERT question we are doing. First we will select all NCERT question and then finish. Next derivative NCERT question we are going to solve. This is again NCERT question. We finish this one. Now next NCERT question. Let's start. Question is, y is equal to secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1. Again try this question, beta. This is a very good question. Y is equal to secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1. Solve it. Again same method. If you will try means confidence will come. Because we just understood now that secant x differentiation was what? When we differentiated secant x by first principle, we came to know secant x will give secant x into tan x. That was the logic. Secant x will differentiation of secant x will give you secant x into tan x. Now keeping that in mind, this part is u and this part is v. So now start. Same method, everything will be applicable in the same way. Nothing changed. U by v method, right? Go for it. Come on, try it. Now here it will become dy by dx is equal to, but a v is there now, so u by v. So first again v will go up, secant x plus 1 differentiation of secant x minus 1 by dx minus secant x minus 1 differentiation of secant x plus 1 by dx. This section done by secant x plus 1 whole square. So now dy by dx is equal to, this section will become what? Secant x plus 1. Now just now we came to know secant x differentiation will become secant x into tan x. And differentiation of 1 is a constant. So constant part will become 0 minus secant x minus 1. Secant x will give you secant x into tan x. Okay? By secant x plus 1 whole square. So now dy by dx equal to, this will multiply with this, it will become secant square x into tan x. And then 1 will multiply with this, it will become secant x into tan x. Okay, minus, here it will become secant square x into tan x. Minus into minus, this will multiply with this, it will become plus secant x into tan x. Okay, so denominator part will become secant x plus 1 whole square. Now, better this and this will get cancelled. Understood. So now what answer is coming? Check this one out. It will become dy by dx equal to 2 secant x into tan x by secant x plus 1 whole square. This is the entire section. Understood? So this is not at all going to be tough for you. Just check this one out. So secant x, 2 secant x into tan x. Okay, beta. So I am keeping it till here, children. Now derivative sections, most important u by v method is over. Any question, doubt will be there. You sent in the group. And second, statistics we will start. Statistics is little lengthy. In exam, it will be very difficult to handle. Okay. So from the beginning, try to attend the class. Next class itself, I am starting statistics division also. But ACS question paper, please collect and give me so that I can start my work. Bye everyone.